fishing that foul.
Para ako naging si Flo G. Tuloy-tuloy yung ano ko eh. Yung salita natin kanina eh. Kasi parehong team naman nakakakuha ng opportunities to score. Kaso
11 points na ang Quezon for this quarter at 7 points naman para dito sa Bawan.
and now a spin shot.
Oh, make it na.
See if Quezon has one more stop. Pero itong si Paring getting that steal. Here he goes, pushing the pace again. Paring, nice pass. Will try to finish it home. Espanto. As we are nearing our last 2 minutes, a steal completed by Lubaton. Tatakbo dito. Itong si Sibulo tries to bulldoze his way.
Galaw. Sibulo.
Bawan will have the possession. Magandang timeout ang naitawag doon. Let's see if they can convert. Goes for the drive. Feels the whistle. Live. Talagang ramdam natin yung bilis na onting pagkakamali mo. Yung isa, dalawang pagkakamali mo, yung 10-point lead, magiging 4 na lang eh. Ganon kabilis.
Ganon kabilis ang mga pangyayari natin dito.
67-64, Quezon will have the possession and Uy takes the ball away.
And look at that defense. Marcus
in an instant. Having Bawan average 70. This full court pressure is deadly for the lead. Another foul is drawn.
Bawan dito. Tignan mo naman, back-to-back steals there. Tignan mo. Ating mga fans dito.
Again, both teams equally represented. Tabla tayo ngayon. Sibulo.
Napakagandang
nice
pass.
Shot won't go out, I should say. Another opportunity. Ball will go to Quezon. Final 53 remaining. And a steal. Here we go. For the lead.
Quezon! Ang pinapakita, and look at that replay. Foul counted, brought to you by Pound for Pound Fitness. Para kay Cloyd Vander Espanto. Flexing his
Cafe Uno. This is something. And he completes. They're down by 3. Let's see what play they will do. First, this inbound play. Ngayon lang sila nakatapak sa kanilang side ng court after some time. And Espanto taps the ball. Yung mga challenges. So, tignan natin. This is Fontanilla. Natapikan. Tumama.
Clear. Very clear.
Enjoying a 3-point lead. This is Sibulo being hounded by Flores on the defensive end. And there's a steal. Here we go. On the run. That drops in. Teo Sablayan. Game is not yet over. Final 20 remaining. White shirts naman ang nanganganib dito. Espanto. They will be fighting for the possession. Black shirts has it. Final 10 remaining. Winning time. Villase. No! And Cafe Bawan or Bawan Cafe Uno in this fourth quarter. Kakataon itong si Marcus Stephen Uy to help his team seal the deal. Important. Needing to hit this one para at least a 4-point lead. Here we go on the play. Pass was too high and Bawan